Safi, get you breaking news coming in from Agra. We are learning of how security has been heightened there as Karni Sena is all set to protest against the Samajwadi Party. This over their remarks on Rana Sangha, which Akhilesh Yadav continues to defend. The police is also on high alert in Lucknow. There you see those pictures of how the security has been beefed up and heavy deployment on the ground, barricading that has been created all across to ensure no unruly situation unfolds. But lots that has been visible after that comment by the Samajwadi Party on Rana Sangha in Parliament that evoked a lot of anger. Let me cut across to Riyanka, who has further details on how the Karni Sena is set to stage a huge protest against the Samajwadi Party. Riyanka.
Well, if you can hear me, I am currently at that particular protest site where this particular Rakt Swabhiman Sammelan, which has been organized by the Karni Sena, the protest against the Samajwadi Party MP Ramji, Suman, who had made several controversial statements. Let us show you the visuals of this particular gathering here in Agra. If we talk about the security arrangements, more than 4,000 policemen are on duty. The police administration has also so far put its strength in and around the rally. The rally has already begun. You can see the number of people, the supporters of the Karni Sena, the members of Karni Sena are all here. And they are, of course, raising their protest against the Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman, who had made several controversial comments against Rana Sangha. And this particular protest is happening on the birth anniversary of Rana Sangha. We are showing you the visuals, and they are raising slogans of Jai Bhavani. And what we also understand that they want, their protest is basically about asking an apology from the Samajwadi Party MP for making those controversial statements against Rana Sangha. And the people here, they say very clearly that the MP must apologize. The ultimatum has been given till 5 p.m. and if he doesn't, then those protesting will be moving towards his residence in Agra, which is why a huge security deployment has in fact been made. All arrangements for any kind of violence has also been kept in place. We continue to show you these visuals that we are getting in from this particular the protest site here in Agra. Full preparations are on. The protest has already begun. The number of members of Karni Sena who are currently present here are all seated. Most of the supporters are also coming in. There is in fact expectation of nearly 3 lakh of supporters who will be coming in here to raise their anguish against the controversial statements made by by Samajwadi Party MP against Rana Sangha.
Oh yes, absolutely. And in fact, the Samajwadi Party has already seen a teaser of it in terms of how there was a massive protest outside Ramji Lal Suman's residence. Twice that has happened. Twice there has been an attempt. And now the Karni Sena coming out in full force to retaliate against the SP. But Akhilesh Yadav continues to defend his man, where he says that it is the BJP that is responsible for divisive politics, but he has never owned up or even apologized for the kind of statement that was made by Ramji Lal Suman against Rana Sangha.
Absolutely. Samajwadi Party has already been in denial of this particular entire situation, and they have been defending Ramji Lal Suman, and Akhilesh Yadav has already said that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party that is rather going ahead and getting into divisive politics. And you can see the situation behind me. All these protesters, they are from the Rajput community, and they are of anguish and anger that how could the Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman make such a comment went against Rana Sangha. So we have to also understand for how long can the Samajwadi Party keep its distance and continuously blame the BJP over such controversial statements that have been made. Remember, the statement was made by Ramjilal Suman in the Rajya Sabha, and since then there have been a huge protest that has been lodged. In fact, Ramji's Suman's residence has also been very well secured. There are huge levels of barricades which have been given in order to curtail the huge amount of crowd which is very likely expected to move from this location at the protest site to his residence if the Samajwadi Party MP does not go ahead and tender his apology. So we have to wait and see whether or not this particular situation takes a violent face or whether there will be any responsibility taken by the Samajwadi Party in this regard.
All right, Priyanka, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we keep coming back to you as the story develops. For the moment, we move on.